everybody, I'm Kimberly Turner from cookingwithkimberly.com, and today I'm going to show you how to get rid of your cold virus onion recipe. Now today I'm using 2 small onions, but you need a medium onion, and you're going to need some sugar, and it's that simple. This is an old folk remedy I learned from a grandmother, and this actually does work, and I've been using it for years. So I'm under the weather and I'm pregnant, so I really don't want to be sick. I need to get this right out of my system immediately. So what I need to do is I'm going to take the skins off these guys. Okay, cut into your onions. Save the skins though. Use those in your next pot of when you're making stock or a soup or a broth. Use that, put that in a resealable plastic bag in your freezer with the rest of your vegetable or meat scraps. And this does wonders for your soup and as well as the color of your soup. So don't waste those. So just cut that off. You just want the onion part. Also, if you cut off the butt end and leave about 1 inch worth where the butt is and the little roots were, you can plant that in your pots or in your garden and it will regrow an onion. Okay? Another good tip. If you like to do things naturally at your house, it's a great way to do it. Your fruits and your veggies, all your natural things have things in them that are going to keep you healthy. Okay? Instead of going and buying a bottle of medicine that might make you feel funny or give you side effects on top of it, this is very inexpensive as well. So I'm just gonna rough chop this, okay? Rough chop these onions and put them in a bowl. If there's more than one person sick in the house, double, triple your recipe accordingly, okay? And just like Mary Poppins says, a spoonful of sugar helps the medicine go down. We're going to use sugar. That will extract the liquid out of the onion. I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons, okay? Not only that, it makes it taste a lot better than just, you know, trying to swallow down some onion juice. So stir those through, make sure that those onions are broken up and the sugar can access, you know, all those layers of the onion. You'll be amazed at how much liquid actually comes out of these onions. Now, the thing is, you have to let this sit overnight. I usually cover it with aluminum foil. I check on it a few times throughout the night and stir it with my spoon to make sure that things are happening and the sugar is still being dissolved, and in any of the onion layers that hadn't separated yet, do separate. By morning, you will see that you'll have a couple tablespoons at least of onion liquid with the sugar. Now you're probably thinking that is still going to taste bad. I guarantee you it doesn't even taste bad. And it doesn't even really taste like onion. It's actually quite, you know, pleasant to take. So there you go. That's the way to get this prepared. And that's the only drawback, is that you have to do it immediately when you feel like you're getting sick. Get that done. Throw it on your stovetop. I usually leave it there somewhere warm-ish so that it can just do what it has to do. And you let that go overnight. So you'll see me tomorrow. I can't wait to take this because I really want to feel better. So you'll see me tomorrow. Okay, it's the next day and everyone's proper sick around here. So I'm glad I made extra because we're gonna need it. So I'm just stirring that through, make sure that everything, you know, has been extracted. And we're gonna get this juice out of here. Now you'll see that you have quite a bit of liquid here, and what you need, you're not eating the onions, you're just getting that liquid. So, all right, I'm going to put this all into a strainer. You want to get it into a container that you'll be able to dispense this to everybody sanitarily. Again, you won't be eating the onions, you'll just be drinking the juice that has been extracted. Okay? I'm telling you, this stuff works some magic. And when you're sick like this, you'll be happy to try a nice folk remedy like we've got here today. Okay, so now I've got a good couple tablespoons probably for each person, and that's gonna help us a lot. So now I know you want me to try it for you, and I will. I've been waiting for this all day. So I'm gonna take a great big spoonful. It's ever so slightly oniony. More than anything, it's just sweet. It tastes like sweet sugar water with a hint of onion. And I'll tell you what, You'll be so happy that you did this. It's easy to do. It's easy to make. You will be so glad that you took this. I'm telling you. You'll be very surprised at how well this works. I can actually feel her jumping around there right now. And that's terrible because when you're sick and you're pregnant, it seems like a lot of women who are pregnant do get sick, especially near the end, because your body is so stressed. So any little bug that you might just pick up, you're likely to pick up. And it's still snowing here. Snowing and rainy and disgusting outside, so yeah. You never know where you're going to catch it from. So let's nip this in the bud. Try something au naturel, because as a pregnant lady, you can't take anything, you know, any kind of medication while you're sick. So I've had a serious fever. I've been coughing. I've been sneezing, the whole 9 yards. And I'm so happy that I have a natural remedy that I can take. It just takes overnight. So I'm really happy about this. Anyway, hopefully I will be feeling a heck of a lot better by this evening or by tomorrow morning, and that's going to be awesome. I better go dole this out to everybody else too. You need to nip that in the bud, especially when you have something going right through your household. All right? So that's how you do it. That's how to get rid of your cold virus onion recipe. Try it, okay? What do you have to lose? A little bit of sugar and an onion. I mean, really. So that's how you do it. That's how to get rid of your cold virus onion recipe. You're going to be glad you tried it. All right? Follow me on Twitter at Cooking with Kim, E with a capital E. Like the fan page at facebook.com/cookingwithkimberly. My shows are on iFood TV at my.fossum.tv/cookingwithkimberly. youtube.com/cookingwithkimberly. You can find my channel on Roku, Cooking with Kimberly, and I'm also syndicated on Apple TV and Amazon and a few other places. Come to my website at cookingwithkimberly.com and subscribe. Interact with us and let us know what's going on in your culinary world, all right? Be a champion in your kitchen and eat deliciously. Bye.